Thank you all for joining me for some light, gentle movement and spending some time together. So go ahead and move towards the front of our chair. And we'll start with a chair twist stretch just to warm up our core. So go ahead and grab the side of your chair or the side of your leg, whatever is comfortable for leverage. You're then just going to pull yourself nice and easily around towards that side, easing any discomfort in your back. Taking a big breath in, big breath out. Go ahead and repeat on the other side. Grab that area for leverage. Pull yourself as far as you can. Take a big breath in, big breath out. Go ahead and turn back towards the front. We'll keep our hands toward the side. We'll actually bring our knees together. Imagine having two giant weights hanging from your hands. You're then going to allow those weights to pull you down deep into your position as low as you comfortably can go. Join me for a big breath in, big breath out. Go ahead and sit up nice and slow, nice and carefully out of that position. With those arms to the side, now they're going to come up overhead as high as we can bring them. Trying to bring them together in a prayer position at the top. We're going to take one big breath in and out. Slowly down now. Bring those hands to your chest. Take a big breath in and out. Good. Go ahead and relax. And then bring your feet back into position. Very nice start, everyone. Okay. So what we're going to do for our next one is a little bit of a postural drill. So this is going to involve keeping your core in good posture. So thinking about keeping everything tight through this area. You're then going to bring your elbows together. Try your best to touch them. And then you're going to bring your shoulders back, pinching your shoulder blades in position. Good. So forward, touch, back, pinch. Good. Nice and control. We're going to do 3 more of these. Touch, back, big pinch. Good. Touch, back, and pinch. Good. Go ahead and relax on that one. We'll lean back in our chair now. So our back is flush against the back of the chair. We're going to grab one side of the chair with our arm. And then you are going to gently turn away from that side so you can let that chest and shoulder muscle open up as you breathe through the pleasant sense of the muscle easing that tension. And relax. Good. Go ahead and grab the other side of the chair. Turn away from it. Think about looking over the other side of your shoulder. As you take a big breath in, big breath out, back towards the center. Very nice. Still sitting back in your chair, we're just going to do some gentle neck mobility. So go ahead and pick either direction for yourself to start. And we're going to let our neck loosen up as we breathe and let all that discomfort melt away from our body. Go ahead and finish one more rotation on that side. And then repeat on the other direction. The same movement to ease your pain. Good. Go ahead and finish on that drill. And when you're done on your last rotation, you can bring your hands down to your knees. We'll get some gentle flow through our fingers and wrists. I'm being very deliberate today and actually looking at my hands and really trying to feel every single joint move as much as it can. Feeling that tension just dissipate. And the nice, gentle movements of those fingers. Go ahead and relax with your hands. We're going to grab our leg either below or in front. Ideally, you'll get a little bit better leverage this way. And then you are going to pull that knee up as high as you can and back towards your chest. We're going to add a gentle twist with our ankle. Focusing on breathing, letting all the muscles in our body relax. Go ahead and now extend your knee out, keeping it nice and straight. In this position, we are actively going to reach as far down towards our toe as possible. In this position, we are keeping that knee straight while breathing nice and deeply in, nice and deeply out. Go ahead and gently sit up nice and tall out of that side. We'll repeat on the other. So we're going to start with that knee to chest, either grabbing in front of that knee or below the leg, whatever's more comfortable. We'll add that gentle ankle twist. Good. We'll go ahead and ease off that side, extending that knee out once again. Gently reaching down towards that toe as far as we comfortably can. Holding it for a good breath in. Good breath out. On that exhale, we'll sit up nice and gently. Very good. Let's go ahead and we're going to pivot in our chair. We'll turn towards this direction. We're going to move into our chair warrior pose. And today what we're going to do is hold our hands in our T position, okay? So legs 90-90 position. And then what you're going to do is bring your hands, the one that's facing towards the center of the circle, down. Okay, so if you look towards me, I'm kind of tipping my hands towards the center of the circle. And we're going to hang tight here for 3 good breaths. All the way in and out. Breathe in and out. One more breath, hang tight. And out, slowly come up out of that position. We'll turn towards that other side, repeating the same movement. So 90-90 position with those legs. Hands are going to be out to the side. Gently, whenever you're comfortable and ready, you can join me in tipping towards the center. As you hang tight and let your breath guide you here. Breathing in and out. In and out. One more time. Breathe in, out. Slowly tip your hands back up towards the start, back towards the center. Very nice, everyone. Let's go ahead and bring both of our knees together. We're going to do our cat and cow pose next. So this one's going to have you imagining hugging yourself as tight as you can in your body. So a nice tight hug, creating lots of tightness through your upper back. And once you found that position, go ahead and gently allow your body sag down towards your legs. so you can embrace this tightness and feel it even more. Create as much compression as you take a big breath in, big breath out. Gently sit up nice and tall. Feel your spine unravel. You're going to then put your hands out to the side, opening up all of that tension you just created, looking up towards the sky, taking a big breath in, big breath out. Good. Arms back in now. Same thing one more time through this movement. Big tight hug with your body. Lean down in position as far as you can. Hugging yourself. Taking a very large breath in. Large breath out. Gently sitting up nice and slow for one more time. Hands out to the side. Pinching those shoulder blades back. Looking up towards the sky. You take that big breath in, big breath out, and relax. Good. Very nice. We're going to do our pigeon pose next, which has two variations. The easier variation is crossing your legs down below. If you can get your foot up to your knee, that is the preferred or better recommendation. But if you can't get up here, if this is painful, just keep them down below. We're going to do 5 slow passes today. So we're going to gently lean down whenever you're comfortable and ready with me. We're going to hold for 1 breath and then gently sit up out of it. Good. So 4 more. Nice and carefully. Try to breathe into this. All the way down. All the way up. Good. Down. And up. Very nice. One more time. Down. Up. Actually, no. One more time. One more actual time. Down. And up. There we go. Good. All right, this time I won't mess up. 5. I can do this. 5 times. Same concept. Breathe as we lean down into that movement. Breathe and relax. Slowly sit up. Good. Down. Breathe. Up. Good. Down. Breathe. Up. Down. Breathe. Up. Last one here. Relax the most you can as you go down. Breathe. Gently sitting up out of that position. Very nice. All right. We're going to go ahead and spread our legs nice and far apart. We're going to do our forward fold exercise next. So you're going to kind of not hug yourself as tight as we were earlier, but you will cross your arms. You're then just going to gently allow your lower back to ease down as low as it can go in front of you. Might need to shift around your butt a little bit just to make this more comfortable. Once you find that deepest position that your lower back will allow you to go, you're going to take a large, deep breath in through your belly and relax that tension as we gently sit up nice and tall, very slow, very carefully. Once we come to the top, take a big breath in, big breath out. Good, very nice. Let's take another one in and out. Good. Good segue into some posture breathing. So Go ahead and move towards the front of your chair. Posture breathing, I just like it to practice good posture, but at the same time we can practice our deep breathing techniques. So with your chest out, your shoulders back, and your neck nice and long in position, should feel fairly comfortable. Focus on breathing in through your belly. So what I mean by that is pushing your belly out as you breathe in, and then relaxing the same areas that you just worked. Good. Push that belly out and in. Out. In. Two more. Out. In. Last one. Out. And in. Good. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Let's go ahead and lean back into our chair. What we're going to do next is a chest opener. So 2 ways you can do this. Ideally, you would get your hands behind your head. If this causes pain in your shoulders, though, if you can't get quite back there, you can just cross your arms in front of your chest as well. Once you have your position set, you're going to gently lean back against that chair as much as you can, letting your upper back lengthen, letting it open up in position as you take a nice large breath in, large breath out. As you exhale, gently lean forward with those legs still spread apart. Hands are going to be in the center now, letting an imaginary weighted ball pull your hands down deep into position as low as you can go. As you take a big breath in, big breath out, you can sit up nice and tall now, very carefully. And we're going to move into a few shoulder rolls, cadenced at your own breath. So we're going to breathe. Breathe. Good. Breathe. And relax that tension. One more here. Breathe. And relax. Very nice. Go ahead and relax on that exercise.